Here's how to export SRT file in Premiere Pro. So you can export SRT files in Premiere Pro if you have the 2023 version, just like this one. So I've already gave my SRT file with the subtitles and captions with everything. So let me just put its volume down. It doesn't bother us. So yeah, but you can edit or you can add new caption block. So I've already added a few caption blocks, and as you guys can see, so the point is, how can we extract it? So when you're here, if you don't have text over here, you can go to Window, Workspaces, and Captions and Graphics. Just click it over here and you will get this. Or when you drag your sample like SRT, you will get it. How do we export it? Just go to these three dots and you'll see export. So there are three options. You can either export it to text file or CSV or SRT. So we're just gonna do the basic and SRT. So there it is. So you can click save and it will just export. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can export SRT files in Premiere Pro. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.